Hello all, this is Neeraj sir, and we are in the second part of the population. First part is already uploaded. This is the second part. Increasing world population will have this many problems. That is decreasing open space, shrinking of forest area, increasing industrialization causing air, water and soil pollution, rapid and intense shortage of drinking water. Before 2 or 3 years, I guess it happened in Cape Town of South Africa. That water was completely over there. Last to last year in Bangalore, groundwater was completely over. So this is how the population affects this drinking water and health hazards, spread of some diseases which we are experiencing in the current scenario. India's population growing at the rate of table I have prepared 52 per minute, means 52 individuals per minute, 3120 in an hour, 74,480 a day, and 2.7 crore a year. 35 out of 1000 babies are dying at the time of birth. 42 out of 1000 are dying, it means 42 out of 1000 babies are dying before the age of 5, and more than 100 deaths per 1000 pregnant women is taking place while delivering. Now the factors responsible for population explosion in India. So these are the factors that we have discussed. Desire for a male child, illiteracy, traditional belief, mortality rate, economic reasons, religious and custom views, and lack of recreation. All of this will cause explosion of population in India. Now when we talk about population, these are the natural resources that are getting affected, that is food, water, land, forest, energy, minerals. See, population always increases in geometric progression, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like that. So that is called geometric progression, while food rises in arithmetic progression, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like that. So it is not means population is increasing in the multiple way, while food rise is increasing in a specific difference pattern. So that is a food amount of food will not cope up with the amount of population then. Water, as we just discussed, and the main reason for water getting less or we won't be able to use water is water pollution. Most of the water bodies are getting polluted, and because of that we cannot use them. Then land also is exploited a lot for the use of agriculture, buildings, residential colonies, industries. Forest deforestation leads to droughts, flash floods, soil erosion, extinction of wildlife. All this will take place if the forests are not there. Energy, fossil fuels may get exhausted within next 150 years. Minerals, once they are exhausted and can never be replaced again. Some statistical terms related to population. First is demography. That is the statistical study of human population, and specifically size and density of human population. When it is studied, then it's called demography. Population density, that is number of individual per square kilometer area. So in a particular square kilometer area, how many number of individuals are living there will be termed as population density. Birth rate or natality, that's number of live birth per 1000 people of population per year we are counting. This is important, per year. Most of the students will forget writing per year here. death rate or mortality, that is number of death per 1000 people of population per year. 1000 people also you need to mention. Growth rate of population, when birth rate is subtracted by death rate, you will get growth rate, and if the birth rate is more than death rate, population always increases, and if birth rate is less than death rate, population always decreases. So I have seen previous year's paper, and from last 7 years I would say at least 2 terms or 1 term is always from this part particular A B C D E. They are asking at least one, they will ask for sure, and maximum 2 is seen always in the paper. Now how to control the population growth? So these are the methods of contraception. 5 methods are discussed over here. First is hormonal pill, second is barrier method, third is IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, surgical methods, and MTP. We'll see hormonal pills first. So these are the contraceptive pills which is taken orally or through vagina, and that will prevent the release of the egg from the ovary. See, this is important. It prevents the release of the egg from the ovary. Second is barrier methods, where condoms, diaphragms, and sperm killings are included with barrier method. Condoms will prevent sperms getting deposited in the vagina. Diaphragm is a round latex with coil spring which is wore by female, and sperm killing are certain chemicals which are placed near the cervix, which will not allow the fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Third is IUDs. Inside that two are included, that is Lippes loop and copper T. Main function of both of this is to stop implantation of blastocyte. Fertilization they cannot stop, they will stop the implantation of blastocyte in the uterus. Surgical methods, 2 are included over here, that is tubectomy, vasectomy. Tubectomy is for female, vasectomy is for male. In tubectomy, the fallopian tube is cut, and in vasectomy, vas deferens is cut, because of which the sperm transfer and ova transfer will not take place. And MTP, that is medical termination, that's abortion. It has to be done within the 5 months of pregnancy, and it's legal. Okay, so these are the 5 methods. I guess this is clear. Thank you.